In this video we're going to edit this picture in a vintage style, then I'll show you how to save that as a free preset at the end. Hi, I'm Age, welcome to Liquid Earth. Let's start with this image. We're going to edit this into a vintage look, then at the very end you can easily save that as a preset to apply to any other photo. Before we start though, please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you at least 1 or 2 videos on different presets every week. First, go into Light and move the highlights down to -30 and the shadows to +40 and whites down to -10, blacks up +10. Press curves, and bottom left is the black point. We're going to bring the blacks up to around about here, and then we'll add a point and adjust it to around this point here. Take the whites down a little bit and add one final point 3/4 of the way up, and just tweak that slightly like so, and press done. Next, go into colour. Leave both the temperature and the tint as is, and take the vibrance down to -20. As with all presets, once you've applied a preset to a photo, you can always come back and make any further adjustments that you wish. Okay, go into colour mix, and for red and orange, take the saturation down to -10. In yellows, take the hue down to -10. and saturation to -20. And then in all the rest of the colours, take the saturation down to -50. And press done. And that's it. You can see your original by tapping and holding on the picture, and there's the edit. Now that we've done all of the changes, let's save that as a preset. To do that, press the settings, the 3 little dots, create a preset, give your preset a name. You can put that into a folder if you wish. Press the tick. You can expand out over here on the right. So for light, we're going to deselect exposure. And press tick. Tick again. And to apply that preset, press on your presets button, navigate to your folder, we're in vintage looks, and tap to apply. Well, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps me, and I'll see you guys next time.